What's good, YouTube? I'm gonna show you guys how to completely, not really restore, but fix all this shit. I pretty much beat the fuck out of these, wearing them in the snow and shit, so yeah, get ready. Okay, so what you need is this, pretty much all you need. I'm a size 14, so I need 2 bottles of this shit. Angelus red shoe dye. Hope you can see that. But yeah, so it comes with this little thing. And so first you're gonna take the shoelaces off, even though mine are already fucked. We're gonna do those last, but it's pretty simple. So cue the time lapse.
God, give me a sign or I have to give up. I can't do this anymore. Please just let me die. Being alive hurts too much.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat.
Okay, so this part gets a little tricky. So I'm gonna just give you a little tip. Right here, there's like all this fur that sticks out. So what you're gonna do, all you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this up and you're gonna use your finger, and that's how you're gonna get in there, because you really don't want the fur getting white, or else it really just looks stupid. But you also don't have to worry about it too much, because the fur is gonna be sticking over it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So after coat 1, this is what we're working with. You can tell how much better they look already. They're really so clean. So this is how much I really have left. Probably about 1/3. You really don't need much more. All we're going to be doing is touch-ups. So like right here, place where it's light. It's never going to be actually completely even. But we're not fucking pussies, so we don't fucking care. Plus, nobody's gonna be fucking stepping on your shoes. But you see how you can still see like scratches and scuffs? Yeah, this next coat is gonna fix that right up. This is what they look like about 2 coats later. It's so much better. Here's the other. It's tough. And then for the laces, so you want the laces obviously red too. All I did was, since I had 2 bottles, I poured a little bit of water in this one, and then I poured a tiny bit of dye. So it was probably like 30% dye. Nah, probably like 50, yeah, fuck it. And just shook it up for a little bit, and then that's how the laces got all red. And yeah, that's really it. I'll show you guys some quick on foot. Alright, so here's a little on foot action. I don't know if you guys could really see how red they are, but they're such a tough red. I'm gonna bring you outside. Oh yeah, that's tough. They're really so tough, bro. These shits are hype. Hype. And look, you can still see it's not all even, bro. But no UGG. Like, even if you get base Uggs, like, straight from the store, like, they'll never be even. Like, you touch them and it changes. So, it's really not something you have to worry about at all. But anyways, I'm out. Catch you guys. Hope you liked the review, the tutorial, whatever. Catch you. Alright, I just want to thank you guys for watching. This was really my first tutorial, but it doesn't look as good right now with this lighting, but fuck it. It's tough.